Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to create area chart in Excel. To create this area chart, I have prepared a dummy data as you can see on the screen. This data contains name of 5 products: product A, product B, product C, product D and product E. And in the next column I have listed the cost of each product. So with the help of this data, we will see how we can create area chart in Excel. First of all, we have to select the entire data on which we want to create the area chart. So we will select this entire data and we have to go to the Insert tab. Under Insert tab, we can see a group named as Chart, and in this Charts group, we will find a command here to insert area chart. Click on this command and we can see further options like 2D area and 3D area. So based upon our choice, we can select 2D area chart or 3D area chart. So in this video tutorial, we are going to select the 2D area chart. So this option we will select. So this is the area chart we have created. It's very simple process. Now we will see some formatting of this area chart, like how we can change the color of this chart or how we can change the style of this chart. But before that, I want to mention one important point. Like if we click on this chart, we can see two additional tabs, Design tab and Format tab will get enabled on the ribbon. But keep in mind, these two tabs will get enabled if and only if we will click on this chart. If we click outside of this chart, these two tabs will get disappeared. Okay, so with the help of these two tabs, like Design tab, we will change the chart style and we will change the color of this chart. So let's see how we can change the chart style. First of all, we have to click on this chart so that Design tab will get enabled. We are already in the Design tab, and under chart style we can find multiple chart styles available here. If we place the mouse cursor, we can see the name of style, like this is style 1, this is style 2, this is style 3, this is style 4 and likewise. So for an example, we will select this style 3 and we can see the chart style of our area chart is now changed. Now we will see how we can change the color of this chart. So again we have to click on this chart. Under Design tab, here we can find the command to change the colors. Click on this and here also we can find the multiple colors. Out of this we will click on this color 3. We can see that the area chart which was previously in the blue color is now converted into red color. I hope you are now clear with the concept of this area chart. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.